15 bucks.
Okay.
This past weekend, we visited the Allapattah Goodwill bins. It was the first time we had ever been to that one. We've been to the one in Fort Lauderdale, but this is the first time we're going to the Allapattah Goodwill bins, and it was a lot bigger than what we were used to, so...
Yeah, a lot more stuff to pick through. So, let's get right into the video.
I think we should be okay. Hola, buenos días. Well, I say we...
I need to keep on the glasses. I forgot to take them off.
It's real broken. It is cool though. Like one of those things that it's like so crazy and it like might be good. Nice. Good stuff. Any rips?
I would want to keep them. It's so cool.
We don't play Minecraft.
I know. Oh, look, yeah, you can replace something. You're right. There's something you could turn on. You could touch them too.
Oh.
Yeah?
Yep. CDR. Let's see.
Oh, a real slipper.
Hang on to it, see if you find another one.
I don't see it.
Helicopter's cool.
I'll just keep it in here if you see it.
Yeah, I'll let you know.
I feel like these have to be from something.
Oh,
thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
That's so nice.
We can check it out.
Oh, it's cool. This is so cool. It's so Florida. Audubon. Cool.
Chains.
Did anyone check this for money? Your giant briefcase one.
Yeah, check it.
It is.
Yeah.
Sisters.
Halloween token. Definitely get something out of it. That's real dirty.
This is a Halloween.
Is that a brand?
Oh, take that.
It says limited edition on it. Okay.
Oh, nice one. Kind of goes with this too. I know if it's in yours. Mine's getting super heavy already. Well, what do you think? Do you want to check it out here? Looks like they're starting to clear out. I don't know though. There's the Goodwill next door.
Bueno. ¿Aquí? Ok. Está aquí, está aquí.
Gracias. 7 libras tiene mi niño.
Ok.
Son 14.75.
Okay.
Partiendo las piedras.
Gracias.
De nada, bonito día.
A ti también, gracias. Look at this, people started parking right here.
It's horrible. It makes it so difficult to get out.
Yeah.
Hello, welcome.
Oh. Yeah, that is pretty freaking crazy.
This would be registered by someone.
That is cool.
What's it
For 5? Yeah, let's check it.
even more than
Yeah, like. I'm gonna see if there's D&D stuff. Apologies. What about the giant?
Stop it. I need a house. There's a bunch of mouse over here. Should I get a basket?
Yeah. Good stuff. This is missing a piece. Oh, that is a nice, like, color. Yeah, I don't think it's worth it for
But
some.
it's pretty big, so maybe.
Let's see, let's see.
What else is here? Do they have more stuff? Oh, what is this? Oh wow, typewriter. Cool. How much?
$15.
Okay. But hold on, can you take photos?
Power cord.
This is a vintage electric typewriter with the original pages.
Yeah.
You can join, you know, the free breakfast on the weekend.
It has a crazy sell through, even if it doesn't work, it seems.
Yeah.
I mean, I could look at it for parts. It's cool. Got a bunch of stuff that we gotta test.
Alright, yeah, maybe I could just test everything tomorrow. Yeah, telling you, this is better than any Goodwill by us.
$24, that's good.
Next time we go camping.
Mega rare. Oh, just kidding. It could go down as it gets beyond, but looks like it does well.
So, thanks for watching. In total, we spent about $45 to $50 between the Goodwill bins and the Goodwill Superstore, located conveniently right next door.
While recording this, we sold the UM blanket, which will bring up the comp again here for you. Pretty much paid for our whole haul at the Goodwill bins.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And we hope to see you on the next one.
See you in the next one.